Hi students, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you find the solutions of exercise 7E. This exercise taken from this book, Mathematics Analysis and Approaches SL-2 for those IB Diploma students. Okay, let's start with number 1. Find the possible exact values of cosine theta for A, sine theta equals half, right? Firstly, we have to write down this equation. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And after that, substitute half, because sine theta equals half. So half squared plus cos squared theta equals 1. And this is a quarter. Cos squared theta equals 1. So theta squared theta, cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 1/4 equals 3/4, because 1 minus 1/4 equals 4/4 minus 1/4 equals 3/4. Right. Let's continue. So it means cosine theta equals square root 3/4, or square root 3/2. The values of a square root, of course, are negative and positive. Square root 3/2. Next, 1b. Sine theta equals minus 1/3. Again, write down this equation. Sine theta equals negative 1/3. So cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 1/9. Okay, because 1 squared equals 1 and 3 squared equals negative, and positive 1/9 moved to the right side becomes negative. So cosine squared theta equals 8/9. Yeah, because 9/9 minus 1/9. Cosine theta equals square root 8/9. And it becomes a square root 8/3. Yeah, positive, negative. Or, or 2 square root 2/3, or 2/3 square root 2. Next, see, the sine theta equals 0. So this equation as substitute sine theta equals 0 here, 0 squared. Cosine theta equals square root 1. So cosine theta equals plus and negative 1. And next, sine theta equals negative 1. I'm going to use this base, 1d. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Negative 1 squared plus cosine square theta equals 1. So cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 1. So cosine square root theta equals 0. So cosine theta equals 0. Okay. As we move to number 2. Find the possible exact values of sine theta for cosine theta equals 4/5. We're going to find the values of sine theta. A, again, this equation. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And substitute cosine 4/5. 4/5 squared equals 1. Sine square root theta equals 1 minus 16 over 25. And it will be sine square root theta equals 25 minus 16 equals 9. Okay, 9 over 25. Sine theta equals square root 9 over 25, or equals plus minus 3/5. Okay, to be, again, sine square root theta plus cosine square root theta equals 1. And after that, substitute minus 3/4 squared equals 1. Sine square root theta equals 1 minus 9 over 16. Sine square root theta equals 16 minus 9 equals 7. 7 over 16. So sine theta equals square root 7 over 16, or plus minus square root 7 over 4, because square root 16 equals 4. Next, cosine theta equals 1. Next, number 2C. Okay, cosine theta equals 1, and cosine theta equals 0. Okay. If cosine theta equals 1, it means this equation gonna be sine square root theta plus 1 squared equals 1. Cosine square root theta equals 1 minus 1. Sine theta equals 0. Next, 2D. Again, this equation. Okay. So sine square root theta plus 0 squared equals 1. Sine square root theta equals 1. So sine theta equals square root 1, or sine theta equals positive and negative 1. Okay, next, number 3. Without using a calculator, find sine theta if cosine theta 2/3 and theta greater than 0, less than pi over 2. Okay. The interval from 0 to 90. Okay, 3a. Again, this equation. Cosine theta equals 2/3. Theta here. Plus 2/3 squared equals 1. Sine squared theta equals 1 minus 4 over 9. Sine squared theta equals 5 over 9. Sine theta equals square root 5 means or square root 5 over 3. Now let me check. We're gonna check the sign. We're gonna check the sign of sine theta, the sign of square root 3 over 5, as this information that sine theta, theta on first quadrant. Okay, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Now, quadrant 1, those degrees from 0 to pi, quadrant 2, pi 2, pi over 2 here, and pi over 2 to pi. Yeah. So theta position at quadrant 1. Okay. Okay, it positions at quadrant 1. Okay. So theta is a quadrant 1 angle. At quadrant 1, okay, quadrant 1 here, I'm going to remind you on my previous explanations, on my previous videos, that the values of signs or the sign of signs, whether positive or negative, okay, x and y. So the coordinate point here, x comma y is the values of sine, and x value of cosine. At quadrant 1, the value of sine always positive. Why? Because if you create a triangle, look that sine always or y always positive. Yeah, at positive y axis. So it means the value of square root 5 or sine theta equals positive square root 5 over 3. Yeah. Next 3b. 3b. Okay. Cosine theta, if sine theta 2/5 and the inner theta position less than 180, greater than 90. Okay. Again, this equation, sine theta to fifth. Okay. We're going to find cosine theta. So cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 4 over 25. Sorry. Yeah. So it means cosine squared theta equals 21 over 25. And cosine theta equals square root 21 over 25, or plus and minus square root 25, or not plus and minus. We have to find the sign first. Okay, equals square root 21 over 5. Okay, because square root 25. So theta is a quadrant 2 angle. Angle at quadrant 2. Okay. At quadrant 2, we're going to check the sign of cosine theta. Okay. Quadrant 2. Here, the position quadrant 2. Okay. The coordinate point is negative x, comma y, because this area of negative x. Okay. If you create a triangle, okay, the coordinate point here, negative x, comma y. I told you on my previous videos that y for sine and x for cosine. So cosine values or cosine sign is negative. So the values of cosine theta equals negative square root 21 over 5. Okay, next for okay, 3C. I'm going to use this base. Sine squared theta plus cosine square root theta equals 1. And then sine theta equals negative 3/5. Negative 3/5 squared. Okay, so cosine square root theta equals 1 minus 9 over 25. Cosine square root theta equals 25 minus 9 equals 16 over 25. Cosine theta equals square root 16 over 25 4/5. Okay, and look, based on this information that theta at yeah, quadrant 3. Yeah, quadrant 3. Okay. So theta is a quadrant 3 angle. Okay. Again, just remind you that quadrant 3, yeah, a circle diagram on my previous videos that this is quadrant 3. Okay. quadrant 1, 0 to pi over 2, quadrant 2, 0 to, sorry, not 0, but pi over 2. Okay. Yeah, pi over 2 to pi, quadrant 3, pi to 3 half pi, and this quadrant 4, 3 over 2 pi to 2 pi. Okay. And theta, oh, it means not quadrant 3, but quadrant 4. Sorry. Quadrant 4. Yeah. Theta is a quadrant 4 angle. Yeah, quadrant 4 here. Okay. And look that the coordinate point here is x, comma, negative y. Because if you create a triangle here, look that x-axis is negative and y-axis is x-axis positive and y-axis is negative. Okay, so it means this is x is cosine and y is sine. So cosine for fifth is positive. Okay, cosine theta, sorry, cosine theta equals positive for fifth. Next, 3D. Let's relook the question. Okay, sine theta, if cosine theta, negative pi over 13, and theta positions at quadrant 3. Okay. Next, 3D, and sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay. Yeah. Theta equals, wait, so now, yeah, negative 5 over 13. Okay, that's cosine plus cos 1. So sine square theta equals 1 minus 25 over 169. So sine square theta equals 144 over 169. So sine theta equals square root 144. That's 12. Square root 169 equals 13. Okay. Theta is a quadrant 3. It's a quadrant 3 angle. Okay. At quadrant 3, Okay. The current point is negative x, comma, negative y. This is the values sine, and it's the values for cosine. So it means sine theta equals negative 12 over 13. Okay. Let's continue to number 4. Find tangent theta exactly given. Okay. For A, sine theta equals 1/3 and theta greater than pi over 2, less than pi. It means theta at quadrant 2. Okay. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. 1/3 squared plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 1/9. So cosine squared theta equals 8 over 9. Cosine theta equals square root 8 over 9 or 2 square root 2 over 3. Theta is a quadrant 3. Quadrant 2, I mean. Yeah, quadrant 2 angle. Based on this information. Okay, quadrant 2, not quadrant 3. And after that, if quadrant 2, okay, the coordinate point is negative x, comma y, y for sine x, for sine theta, and x for cosine theta. So cosine theta at quadrant 2 is negative. So it means cosine theta equals negative 2/3 square root 2. Okay. Now let me find tangent. Okay. Tangent theta equals sine over cosine. It means 1/3 over negative 2 square root 2 over 3. So 1/3 times negative 3 over 2 square root 2. Cancel. And it's going to be negative 1 over 2 square root 2. Okay. Next, for the next question. Okay, 4B. Okay. For B, cosine theta equals 1/5 and theta position less than 2 pi, greater than 3 pi over 2. It means theta is quadrant 4. Yeah. Quadrant 4 angle. Okay. Sine squared theta plus cosine square theta equals 1. Okay, sine theta, sine square root theta plus 1/5 square equals 1. Sine square theta equals 1 minus 1 over 25. So sine theta equals square root 24 over 25. And if sine theta equals square root 24. Square root 24 is 4 times 6. It means 2 square root 6 over 5. Based on this information that theta is a quadrant, three, yeah, angle. If theta is a quadrant 3 angle, we have to determine sine of theta, sine of this number, whether negative or positive. So look this circle diagram. Okay. Quadrant, wait, I have to make sure. Okay. Quadrant 4, not quadrant 3, sorry. Quadrant 4. Quadrant 4 here, the quadrant point x, negative y. Okay. This is sine theta and this one cosine theta. Yeah, so sine theta is negative. So sine theta equals negative 2 square root 6 over 5. Okay, means tangent theta equals negative over, sine over cosine. It means 1/5 over negative 2 square root 6 over 5 equals 1/5 times negative 5 over 2 square root 6. Negative 1 over 2 square root 6. Next. Number 4C. Sine theta equals negative 1 over square root 3. And theta, yeah, this is position for quadrant 3. Okay. Theta to pi to 3 pi over 2. Okay. Next. Okay. And sine theta equals negative 1 over square root 3 squared plus cosine squared theta becomes 1 over 3 plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Cosine squared theta equals 1 minus 1/3. So cosine theta equals square root 2 third, or square root 3 over square root 2 over square root 3. That. So theta is a quadrant. Okay, which quadrant I'm going to check first. Again, up quadrant. One quadrant, quadrant 3. Okay. So quadrant 3 angle is if quadrant 3, okay, so one, the coordinate point is negative x, comma negative y. So sine is negative and cosine negative as well. So it means cosine theta equals negative square root 2 over negative square root 3. Cosine theta equals negative square root 2 over square root 3. Okay. It means for tangent theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. Sine theta is negative 1 over square root 3. Okay. Negative 1 over square root 3 over cosine theta, negative square root 2 over square root 3. So tangent theta, negative 1 over square root 3 times negative square root 3 over square root 2. So it means tangent theta was positive 1 over square root 2. Okay. Because divided equals 1, positive 1. Next. What else? 4D. Okay. 4D is what I'm going to clean first, this area. Okay. Right. 4D sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Sine squared theta plus 1 negative 3/4 squared equals 1. So sine squared theta equals 1 minus 9 over 16. Sine squared theta equals 16. Yeah, 16 minus 9, 7 over 16. So sine theta equals square root 7 over square root 16. 7 over square root 7 over 4. Okay. Based on this information, theta is a quadrant 2, is quadrant 2 angle. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clean first. Okay. Theta is a quadrant 2 angle. At quadrant 2, okay, so on quadrant 2, the coordinate point is negative x comma y. This is sine theta and this one cosine theta. So cosine theta is negative while sine theta is positive. So sine theta equals positive square root 7 over 4. Now we're going to find tangent theta. Tangent theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. Sine theta square root 7 over 4 over cosine theta. How much? I'm going to check first. Yeah, negative 3/4. Negative 3/4 equals square root 7/4 times negative 4/3. It becomes negative square root 7/3. Yeah. Okay, number 4, done. Let's move to number 5. Number 5, find exact values for sine theta and cosine theta given that tangent theta equals 2/3 and theta, this theta position, theta is quadrant 1. Yeah, quadrant 1 angle. Okay. So tangent theta equals 2/3. It means sine theta over cosine theta equals 2/3. Okay. Sine theta equals 2/3 times cosine theta. Okay. And recall that this equation sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. I'm going to substitute sine theta into that equation. Sine theta equals 1, 2/3 cosine theta. Okay. 2/3 cosine theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay. And it's gonna be 4 means cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. 4 nin plus 9 nin. Yeah, actually in front of this one is 9 over 9. Yeah. So 4 plus 9 equals 13 over 9. Cosine squared theta equals 1. So cosine squared theta equals cosine squared theta equals 1 times 9 over 13. Okay, so cosine theta equals square root 9 over 13. Yeah, square root 3, I mean. 3 over square root 13. And theta at quadrant 1, 0 to pi over 2. At quadrant 1, it means theta quadrant 1 theta is positive, so cosine theta equals positive 3 over square root 13. Next, 5b. Okay, tangent theta negative 4/3 and theta at quadrant 2. Okay, theta is quadrant 2 angle. Tangent theta equals negative 1/3. So sine theta over cosine theta equals negative 1/3. Sine theta equals negative 1/3 cosine theta. Back to this equation, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay, substitute this one negative 1/3 cosine theta plus cosine square root theta equals 1. So 1 nin cosine square root theta cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Actually, there is 1 here, or 9 nin. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 nin cosine squared theta equals 1. So cosine squared theta equals 9 over 10. And cosine theta equals square root 9 over 10. Or 3 over square root 10. Okay. So I'm going to use this space. Continue. Okay. Recall that theta greater than pi over 2, less than pi. Okay. Based on this information. This one. Okay. Means cosine theta, okay, was okay, quadrant 2 here, okay. The coordinate point is negative x, comma y. This is cosine negative and sine positive, okay. It means cosine theta equals negative 3 over square root 10. Next, 5c. Tangent theta equals square root 5 third. Tangent theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. Square root 5 third. So sine theta equals square root 5 third cosine theta. Back to this equation. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay. So, square root 5 third cosine theta squared plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So 5 ninth cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And 9 over 9, if on here, it means 14. 14 over 9 cosine squared theta equals 1. So cosine squared theta equals 1 times 9 over 14. So 9 over 14. Cosine theta equals square root 9 over 14. And we can simplify that cosine theta equals 3 over square root 14. Theta, as we check, we're gonna check the quadrant. Yeah. Pi to 3 pi over 2, it means this is quadrant 3. If quadrant 3, this quadrant 3, okay, x comma negative y, okay, it means cosine is positive and then sine is negative. Yeah. Okay, quadrant 3. quadrant 3 from pi to 3 pi over 2. It means cosine theta positive. Yeah, positive 3 over square root 14. Okay. Yeah, 5C. Next, 5D. But I'm going to clean for this area. Okay. Right, for number 5D, tangent theta equals minus 12 fifths sine theta over cosine theta was negative 12 over 5. So sine theta equals negative 12 over 5 times cosine theta. Okay, back to this equation, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Substitute this equation. Okay, sine theta equals negative 12 fifths cosine theta squared plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay, I'm gonna move. Clean first this area. And next, after that, 12 squared equals 144 over 25 cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Actually, this is 25 over 25. If 144 plus 25 here equals 169 over 25, cosine squared theta equals 1. So cosine squared theta equals 1 times 25 over 169. So cosine theta equals square root 25 over 169. So cosine theta equals 5 over 13. Okay. But theta is quadrant 4 angle. Okay. So it position at quadrant 4. Okay. At quadrant 4, I'm going to clean first this area. Okay. Quadrant 4. Okay, so I'm quadrant 4. And the coordinate point x comma negative y. Okay. X comma negative y. So x for cosine and negative y for sine. So this is, so sine is negative and cosine is positive. So cosine theta still positive 5 over 13. Next, I'm going to move to number 6. Okay. I'm gonna clean this one first. Okay. Okay. Suppose that tangent theta equals k, where k is a constant and theta is quadrant, quadrant 3. Yeah, quadrant 3 angle. Write expressions for sine theta and cosine theta in terms of k. All right. So tangent theta equals k sine theta over cosine theta equals k. It means sine theta equals k times cosine theta. Back to this equation, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, right? Next, substitute this k cosine theta into here. K cosine theta squared plus cosine squared theta equals 1. It will be k squared cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And it's going to be k squared plus 1 factorize cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay. So cosine squared theta equals 1 over k squared plus 1. Okay. Okay. I'm going to move to better if, wait. Okay. Next, it means cosine. Yeah, there's now cosine squared theta equals 1 over k squared plus 1. So cosine theta equals square root 1 over k squared plus 1. So it means cosine theta equals 1 over square root k squared plus 1. Yeah. This is cosine theta. Okay. So what's sine theta? As you know that sine theta equals k times cosine theta. So it means sine theta equals k times cosine theta equals 1 over square root k squared plus theta. Okay, times 1 over square root k squared plus 1. Wait. So sine theta equals k over square root k squared plus 1. This is sine theta. Okay, students, thank you for joining with me in this lesson. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment, and share to your classmates. Thank you. See you.